Good evening, everyone. Sorry for coming late. Yeah, sorry. We'll make it easy, and already Mr. Yasser talked about it. Talking about the T-shape or I-shape professional, it's like kind of new methodology. It's coming around 2008. Start people talking about it, especially on the higher education. And it started with Mr. or guy, his name Cotter. That's my reference. My reference, by the way, it's a Cotter book. It's published on 2015, Enhancing Employment Through Developing T-Shape Professional. And the other reference, a paper come out like 2019 by a lady called Laura Prima. I can share this paper with you. It's very beautiful paper. And there where I get most of my information from. So it's kind of new methodology. People start talking about it to enhance the T-shape professional. Okay.
You can move it.
How can I move this?
From above your picture, click above the camera.
I will move it for you.
Okay.
Okay, sorry for that. Go ahead, please. I'll keep it here.
All right. The I-shaped individual have in-depth knowledge of a single subject or an area of specialist. Those individuals, they graduated, they know, and they do very good in one subject, seek career within the same narrow training, armed with the professional identities. Yet, increasingly, there is demand not only for disciplinary expertise, but also the ability to span and cooperate across disciplines. So this from where the T-shape come and people start talking about it, and start really in introducing new curriculum in higher education. So universities have people graduated with broad skills. Okay, if you see in this, it's showing clearly deep discipline and system depth expertise and analytical thinking problem in one subject. Okay, if we talk about the T-shaped individual, those kind of people allow us to do the same time of work with less people, as that's what we need in project management. Because they have soft skill, as I said before, and they have open-mindedness, they have compassion, teamwork, communication, listening, emotional, and networking, as you see in the horizontal line. All this prescription for the T-shaped people.
These are multitaskers?
Yes.
Multitasker, and they have different knowledge in depth. There is some graph, or I will show it for you. It can explain this very clear. So the T-shaped professional is the one who acquire both depth and breadth of skill and knowledge. This is the last point. If you see it with us. Gonna go to the last one, which I think it's Porter. If you see there is VUCA, which short stand for, how can I see it again?
Give me, please. Give me the mouse. Okay, cool.
Violate, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. This widely adapted term that capture the daily struggle to make sense of ever-changing global, technical, diverse, digitalized, politically uncertain, economic, unstable, and fragile world we're living now. From this standard, that comes the idea of T-shaped people or T-shaped professional. Okay, I'm gonna go here. If you see in this one, you see my mouse?
Yes.
That's the horizontal line, and that's the I-shaped people. And this one is really clear and easy, and it will make things very clear. Boundary shaping or the horizontal, they have low knowledge, high knowledge in certain area. The I-shaped people, they have discipline, like they start from low to high. Okay, to make more sense, I-shaped expertise, they have low boundary spanning capacity with high discipline depths. Those are professional, which they graduate for, they know one subject. The horizontal expertise, they have high boundary spanning capacity with low discipline depths. So if you come to this quarter, the T-shaped expert, they have high boundary spanning capacity with high discipline depths. That's what's needed in project management. And Yeah, that's all I think.
Great. Any questions?
Thank you.
And this is done by Dr. Omar. He's a PhD attendant, right? Or you are done? Medical doctor? Okay. He's a medical doctor, so if you feel any pain, you can consult him. I was like thinking, are you a medical doctor or you are a PhD attendant? Because you are giving references and you are telling some papers, and I thought, khalas, it's a PhD.
working with research.
Yeah, it's very good. Thank you, guys. So, about the T-shaped, guys, by the end of the day, you will get it, inshallah. And the T-shaped guys, or ladies, or individuals, who at least knows one thing about everything. And the I-shaped guys who knows everything about one thing. Cool? I think this makes the long story very, very, very short. And I do highly recommend you that you know at least one thing about everything. And as a project manager, guys, whom you prefer to work with, a T-shaped people or I-shaped guys?
Excuse me, there is one point I forget to mention. Even some papers saying for new employment and for hiring people, in certain position, they're looking for T-shaped person. So my advice for you guys, when you're applying for a job, try to put the soft skill with the depth of your knowledge, so to be like a T-shaped person, they will hire you.
Yes, but it depends on your answer now, guys. As a project manager, are you going? No, let's forget about theory, okay? We are going to practical field. Are you going with the T-shaped people or I-shaped people? This is a tricky question.
For certain
Different.
jobs,
Depends.
Cool. So you
It
are
would be like a good mix.
you are passing your exam, guys. Now I am good with that. It depends on the subject and the task, and definitely on the job opportunity opening that you are applying for. So if you are applying for a managerial level or a coordinator level, then definitely mostly we are going with a T-shaped. But if I'm going with a task-oriented opening, that definitely I'm going with an I-shaped people. Perfect. Thank you so much, guys. Let's see how long we still have for